How to add money to Moneylion. Alright, let's dive right in. If you are looking to add money to your Moneylion account, it's a straightforward process. Whether you want to add a fund for your everyday expenses or to take advantage of their features, here's how to do it. First things first, open up your Moneylion app. You can see it over here. Tap on it. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it on both App Store and Google Play. Now, what you have to do is simply tap on the 9 dots at the top left corner, which is over here. Tap on it. And that will open up an option for add fund. You can see it over here. Now tap on it and you will be taken to a screen where you can choose how you want to add money. You will see a few options. There's Roar Money, Manage Investing, Active Investing. Choose the one that you prefer. Let's say I want to add money to Manage Investing. And here you can see an information about Manage Investing. So this is the demo video, so I'm not going to read all of them. However, when you do it, carefully read all of them. Now tap on let's get started. Then you will be asked to fill this type of form. Basically, you have to enter your birthday and your phone number over here. Then they will send you a verification code. After that, your account will be activated. And only after that, you will see an option for the bank details where you have to input your bank details if you haven't linked it earlier. And after all these steps are cleared, you have to enter the amount you want to add. After that, review the details, and when everything looks good, simply tap on submit. And that's it. You will get a confirmation and your funds will be available shortly. Remember, there might be a processing times depending upon the method that you choose. So that's a quick and easy way to add money to your Moneylion account. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.